It's all change for Premier and Plus packages for Princess Cruises in 2026. We have all the information. What's disappeared? What's the price increase? What is included now that wasn't before? And what happens if you've already booked your package for 2026? Let's dive in. Let's go to the official website and let's go through it together. First of all, you want to know the price. A Premier package is now £75 per person for all ships except for Star and Sun, and they are £80 per person per day. It is $100 or $105 if you're over in the States. For the Plus package, all ships except Star and Sun is £50 per person per day, $55 for Star and Sun, and it's $65, $70, a little more of an increase if you are on Star and Sun per person per day. If you're within 3 days of departure, it's plus $5. So an increase there for your prices in 2026. But what is included? Let's go through it one by one. If you're the Premier package, it's unlimited drinks, no change there, up to $20. Big change here though, big change. For the Plus package, it's now 15 drinks per day. That's all drinks, sodas, coffees, alcoholic drinks, all included in your 15 per day. Go over that, you've got to start purchasing them. But also included is 12 bottles on both packages of water, still or sparkling. So what do you think of that change for the Plus? 15 drinks, no matter what, alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Interesting, please do let us know in the comments below. Casual dining, as before, unlimited for Premier. That includes Alfredo's pizza, the sushi, increased to 4 now from 2. Speciality, once again, none included on the Plus, but unlimited if you're on the Premier. As before, room service is included in both packages, including delivery. Now, big one, Shore Excursions. There is now a voucher available. 6 to 9 nights, you'll get £100 per person voucher to use on Shore Excursions. 10 to 20 nights is £200 per guest. 21 nights plus is £300 voucher per person. No vouchers if you're on the Plus. What do you think about that? I'm quite interested in Shore Excursions, but I always find the price far too high. So this one does actually interest me, and especially if it's one to an historical place, etc., where you want to have a really good guide. What do you think? Please do let us know in the comments below. Wi-Fi. 4 tablets, phones per guest if you are on the Premier package, 1 if you are on the Plus package, no change there. As before, crew appreciation is included on both packages. Unlimited photos and theatre seating is available on the Premier, not on the Plus. So those are the changes. What has disappeared in 2026? Fitness classes. When we went on Princess, we didn't do any fitness classes, but I know a lot of people are interested in the fitness classes. That's gone. Will that affect you? They will not be available now on either package. The Premier desserts, all those Premier desserts were really, really good. Now, on the Premier, they used to be unlimited, and you're not going to have, I don't think, well, you may prove me wrong. You may be a Premier dessert fan. You may have them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But I really don't think you can have more than one a day. We shared one. So that was a little bit of a pointless perk, but it was nice on the Plus to have 1 or 2 of those. So can you still get these in 2026, or do you just have to pay for them? But they are definitely gone off the package now. Juice Part has disappeared. Princess Prizes, the thing that you can get when you tap or your door opens, that has disappeared, that is being retired, and the medallion delivery in North America is also disappearing. So all of those are gone. Were they just gimmicks? Please do let us know in the comments below. But none of those will be available in 2026 on either package. I hear you cry. What happens if you've already purchased a package for 2026 cruises? Well, they will honour those packages. Or you can go and pay the extra and take on the new 2026 packages. So that is fine, just contact Princess Cruises or contact your travel agent. Other things to mention, obviously you can upgrade to a above package. If you want now the Shore Excursions, if the Premier package is looking good, you can go from the Plus up to the Premier, or you can go from the Standard up to the Plus. That is available. And also remembering that these packages need to be purchased for the first 2 guests in your cabin. If the 3rd and 4th guests don't drink too much, or they wouldn't be interested in most of the things that are in the packages, only the first 2 need to purchase that package. And also the Wi-Fi can be shared, so you can share the Wi-Fi with person 3 and 4. Also the digital photos can be shared, and also the reserved seating in the theatre, that can also be shared. But of course, you can't share with guests 3 and 4 the drinks, speciality dining, the casual dining. Those cannot be shared. So it's something to think about if you are purchasing for 2026. So what do we think? What do we think of the price increase? What do we think of the added perks that have been added in 2026? Will you miss all of those perks that we had in 2025 and before? Will you miss those delicious desserts? I think I will. Please do let us know in the comments below, and tap on the screen right now if you'd like a full ship tour of Majestic Princess.